Prince of Peace. He promised us that He would be our Father, and that He would love us with a love that would not cease. Well, I tried and I found His promises are true. He's everything He said that He would be. Define His words I know, could not begin to tell just what Jesus really means to me. For He's more wonderful than my mind can conceive. He's more wonderful than my heart can believe. He goes beyond my highest hopes and fondest dreams. He's everything that my soul ever longed for. He's everything He's promised, and so much more than amazing, more than marvelous, more than miraculous could ever be. He's more than wonderful. That's what Jesus is to me. I stand amazed when I think of the King of Glory. She'll come to dwell within the heart of man. I marvel just to know that He really loves me. When I think of who He is and who I am, yes, oh yeah, eleva tu saina levanta gloria, eleva ese nova, esiliasu, ineuma veneio da. Oh Oh